Welcome back on the channel, guys. More products from Benks. This thing here is the ArmorGo stand wallet. So in case you've been following my channel, I do work with Benks. They're sending me a lot of samples. This is the same situation here, guys. They are sending me those products for review, but it's going to be my own opinion about this. By the way, I'm using Benks cases on my S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra. Of course, rotating them with other cases that I do test, but in general, Benks cases are really great. And on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, I'm only using Benks cases at the moment. So first things first, what the heck is this, guys? Stand wallet ArmorGo. So in case you don't know, yeah, this is something that you can attach on the back of your phone. And yeah, fun fact, you can fit in some cards inside, which I'm going to be testing right now. Consider this as a wallet that can take up to 3 cards, probably even 4 cards, just depending on the material of the cards and the thickness. And guys, not only this, but it should also provide built-in RFID protection, which I'm going to be testing. I think I have a clever way of testing this. And it doubles also as a stand, because of course it uses MagSafe to attach to the phone. It does use 12N magnetic force, so this should be very stable, very strong. We're going to be testing this. And because it's Benks, you might already have noticed, yes, it's built with Kevlar. So let's unbox the product and then let's try to put it on an iPhone. I'm gonna first show you guys how this works without a case, because you don't really need a case to use those products. But if you really want to have some fun times and look great, you can always color match it with the respective case. This one here is the 600D version. Yep, they sent me also the Aurora. I do have somewhere the Aurora case, guys. You can put up the case like this and then stick up the matching ArmorGo wallet stand case. There are different versions out there to match with the cases. Okay, first things first, let's just see what I have inside. All right, as simple as that. I'm gonna put the 600D version here. And this one here is the Aurora. Let me put aside it, guys, and have a first look at this. So honestly, what I like about the product is there are a few things. Let's start first with the design. It's very minimalistic, guys. You do have this nice finishing. Here we have the Kevlar 600D. Here we have the Aurora one that fits with the Aurora case design, if that's your thing. I do have this also on my S24 Ultra, by the way. One of the best designs is the Aurora. And fun fact, yeah, this is just for the iPhone, but because it is MagSafe, can also be put on your S24 Ultra, but it's not going to work great. I hope Benks will release also versions to go along with S24 and S25 Ultra. Now, what do we have on the back, guys? So let's put it on the back. Very simple, very clean design. You can see they do have also different finishing, a bit on the lighter scale here, a bit of a darker scale here. What do we have on the back? We have the Benks logo, and then we have built-in DuPont Kevlar. Okay, and then, yeah, this is, guys, where the magic happens. So this is the ring that is on a hinge, and by the way, you can see the hinge is kind of strong. This can also double as a stand in, let's say, vertical and horizontal modes. I'm gonna be testing this, so it's good to know that the hinge here is really strong. First thing I want to do is weigh the devices. I'm gonna put the 600D one, 46 grams, guys. This ain't bad. And now I'm gonna put the Aurora one. All right, 48, so a bit heavier, only 2 grams. So in general, guys, if you want to use those one, yeah, you need to sacrifice another 45, 46, 8 grams. But then, guys, remember, we are doing this because we can carry our cards. And now, guys, I'm going to put some cards inside. Let's start with the first one. Okay, I like, by the way, when you put the card, guys, it clearly snaps. Let's test the second card. All right, snaps as well. Yeah, by the way, you can see, guys, once it's there, stays forever. Let's do another one, okay, the third card. And yep. So can you push more? Probably you can, because if you are using like plastic cards and not metal ones, you probably can go and try. Let me try to push a fourth one. Yeah, actually I was able to push 4 cards. Okay, so now we have 4 cards inside the armored wallet, guys. And what happens? How do we get the cards out? Well, it's very easy. You just turn it on the back and then boom, guys, you can just remove all the cards, as easy as that. And now let's see what happens when we try to attach this baby directly to the phone, naked, without a case. iPhone 16 Pro Max, say hello to the ArmorGo wallet case, and boom. As simple as that, guys. And you can see, like, this thing here, no, I can tell you, this is not gonna fall apart. Why? Because the magnet that is used here is kind of strong. And how do we know it's strong? Okay, I can just do this all day, guys. I mean, you know, the iPhone is more than 200 grams. You can see this is absolutely going to stick. When you hold your phone like this, no one can tell that you're using this thing on the back. But then guys, remember I told you it doubles also as a stand. So you want to watch content, be my guest, you can just use it like this. Or let's say you can use it like this. You can also use it like this if that's your thing. Of course, it doubles as a stand, right? And then always boom, just rotate it how much you want. But guys, forget about this. The best way, as I told you, is to use a matching case. And in our demo right now, I'm gonna focus on the 600D. This thing here is the Benks 600D armor case for the iPhone. All right, so now it's there, and now boom, and now you can see guys, we have a completely finished product. I mean, this design matches that design, and again, it's going to be very, very hard. And guys, you can rotate it like that if you want, or let's say you put it like this and rotate it like that just to use it as a phone stand. But the primary use is going to be, of course, storing your card. So let's put one card here. Just want to test it when it's on the back of the phone. Let me put the second card. All right. And by the way, guys, the cards, they really snap hard. Now let me put a third one. I'm going to put a third one here, snap it like this. So now I have an iPhone with 3 cards. And you can see, guys, like I guarantee this is not going to fall apart. How do we take those things off? Just remove it from your phone and boom, get it like this. And now guys, something that I'm very keen to test is, what about that RFID blocker? And now it's time for a short demo. I'm gonna take this card that has a chip here, I'm gonna put it on the back of my phone and try to scan it. All right, what happens here? So let's see, I'm just here it is guys. So you know, my phone using NFC was able to scan that card. So now what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna put the card here. All right, let me put it there. And now guys, I'm gonna try to repeat the process. And if this thing really has RFID blocking protection, I should not be able to scan it. All right. Yeah. Okay, absolutely. One more time. Okay guys, this is it, you see? So this thing will not only keep your cards securely attached on the back of your phone, but what is also very important, in case you go to the subway and there's some people, you know, with them devices, you will have RFID protection. And one more time, I'm gonna just try now with that card. So 1 card, 2 cards. Okay, this is gonna be the 3rd card. Can I do it? Can I fit another one here? Yeah, 4th card, like crazy guys. I was able to put 4 cards inside. Securely attached, RFID protection, magnetic force guys. You can also use it as a double stand. And by the way, if you want to like this product, it costs something like 30 euro, but you can use my code. I'm going to put this inside the video description and just order this with a discount. You can also do combinations between a phone case design and a wallet case design. And guys, if you have enjoyed this video, you might want to check my other Benks videos. Thank you so much for watching guys. Stay safe, VST over and bye.